The world of mirrorless cameras is always shifting, and no brand has stirred more excitement in recent years than Sony. If you've been following the industry closely, you know that whispers around a brand new release have been circulating for months. Now, after gathering credible insights from trusted insiders and piecing together Sony's recent moves, I can confidently say that we are on the cusp of something big. The upcoming Sony A7V looks poised to become one of the most important cameras in Sony's alpha lineup, and possibly one of the most impactful releases in the mirrorless market over the past few years. But here's the thing, Sony hasn't rushed this launch. Unlike some other brands that churn out incremental updates every year, the A7V has taken its time. And that's a good thing. Because when Sony holds back, it usually means they're preparing something that truly elevates performance for both photographers and videographers. In this in-depth breakdown, we'll look at why the Sony A7V has been delayed, what kinds of features and innovations we can expect, the timing of announcements, and how this camera fits into the broader market of professional gear. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of why the A7V matters and why it may represent a bigger leap than we've seen in years. Sony's current lineup, a year of strong lenses, weak cameras. Let's start by acknowledging the elephant in the room. 2025 weren't exactly stellar years for Sony's camera bodies. Sure, there were launches, but they were mostly iterative. The FX2 Cinema camera landed with some fanfare, but was quickly criticized for reusing the same sensor found in the A74, carrying over its limitations in low light and crop factors. Likewise, the RX1R3, while still interesting as a full-frame compact, leaned heavily on older hardware and featured a rather underwhelming low-resolution EVF. What did shine this past year was Sony's lens development. Releases like the 51mm f2.0 G-Series Prime reminded creators why Sony remains a powerhouse in glass design. These lenses pushed boundaries for sharpness, portability, and autofocus performance. But for many creators, especially hybrid shooters working across photo and video, new lenses aren't enough. They've been waiting for a body that delivers a meaningful leap forward, and that's exactly where the Sony A7V enters the conversation. Why has the Sony A7V taken so long? Two main reasons explain the delay. Market strategy and pricing adjustments. Sony has been carefully evaluating pricing in a shifting global market. With inflation, supply chain issues, and currency fluctuations, Sony US insiders suggest that prices across the board may increase by 5 to 10%. This would apply not only to upcoming gear like the A7V, but also to existing products. If that's the case, pre-ordering early might save creators serious money. There's also the competitive angle. Canon and Nikon have been aggressively pricing their mirrorless cameras to capture market share. Sony knows that the A7V needs to stand out not only in performance, but also in perceived value. Production. Bottleneck. Sony has struggled to keep up with demand for popular models, like the A7 IV and A1. Stock shortages frustrated buyers and damaged trust. For the A7V, Sony wants to avoid repeating that scenario. They've been scaling up production capacity to ensure availability at launch. This could be one of the reasons we've seen such a long gap between the A7 IV and the A7V. What we know about the Sony A7V now, let's get into the heart of it. What we can realistically expect from the Sony A7V. A brand new sensor. One of the most credible leaks is that the A7V will not be recycling the A7 IV's sensor. Instead, it will feature a new full-frame sensor, optimized for better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and cleaner output at higher ISOs. This is crucial because the A7 IV sensor, while solid, has been outclassed by competitors like Canon's R6 Mark II and Nikon's Z6 III. Improved autofocus system. Sony already leads the industry in autofocus, but the A7V is rumored to push things even further with AI-assisted subject detection and more reliable tracking across fast-moving scenes. Expect it to build on the real-time tracking and eye detection seen in the A7RV, but with improvements in speed and recognition of diverse subjects, stronger video capabilities. The A7 IV offered solid video performance, but it wasn't perfect. Crop factors in 4K 60 FPS and overheating limitations frustrated hybrid creators. The A7V is expected to shoot oversampled 4K at up to 120 FPS, possibly even offering 6K recording. Heat management will likely be improved, making it a stronger competitor to hybrid-friendly cameras like Panasonic's S5 II and Canon's R5 II. Better ergonomics and build. Sony's recent releases have been refining ergonomics. Larger grips, more intuitive button layouts, and sturdier builds. The A7V is expected to continue this trend with a slightly redesigned body that balances portability with comfort, especially for long shoots. Enhanced connectivity, with more creators streaming, vlogging, and needing live workflows. The A7V is expected to feature improved wireless connectivity, faster file transfer speeds, and possibly direct USB-C 4.0 support for external SSD recording. Why the Sony A7V matters for professionals. The A7V isn't just another iteration. It represents an important evolution in Sony's full-frame mirrorless lineup. While it may not be revolutionary, no one is expecting medium format. Levels of innovation here. It does appear to be a true generational leap compared to the A7 IV. Here's why professionals are paying attention. Wedding and event photographers need reliable low-light performance, silent shooting, and flawless autofocus. The A7V looks set to deliver on all three. Videographers and hybrid creators want better codecs, higher frame rates, and heat-free performance. The A7V seems positioned to solve pain points that limited the A7 IV. Travel and street photographers will benefit from a lighter, more ergonomic design while still having cutting-edge performance. The lens factor. What will launch alongside the A7V? Sony isn't stopping at just a body. Sources indicate that before the A7V announcement, Sony will reveal a new macro lens, possibly the long-rumored 100mm f2.8G macro. This pairing makes sense. By releasing a lens first, Sony can build excitement, then follow up with the A7V as the perfect partner body. It's a clever way of keeping momentum going while ensuring photographers see the value of investing in the Sony ecosystem. How the Sony A7V fits into the market. It's impossible to talk about the A7V without looking at the competition. Canon EOS R6 Mark II has been dominating the mid-range full-frame hybrid market. The A75 will need to outperform it in both video and stills to reclaim ground. Nikon Z6 III offers impressive dynamic range and a user-friendly system. Sony has to deliver a sensor that matches or exceeds Nikon's performance. Panasonic S5 II and S5 IIX have been popular among budget-conscious filmmakers. If Sony nails internal 10-bit codecs and heat management, the A7V could pull filmmakers back to the Alpha series. Release timeline based on insider information. Here's the likely schedule. Lens announcement. October 2025, Sony A7V official reveal. Late October to November 2025. Availability. Pre-orders expected shortly after announcement, with shipments starting late 2025 or early 2026. Should you wait for the Sony A7V? If you're currently considering the A7 IV, the answer is wait. The improvements in sensor design, autofocus, and video performance make the A7V a far more future-proof option. If you already own an A7 IV, the decision is trickier. But given the rumored advancements, particularly in low light and video, many professionals will see the upgrade as worthwhile. Final thoughts: the Sony A7V isn't just another camera body. It's shaping up to be a major milestone in Sony's Alpha lineup, one that balances meaningful innovation with refined usability. The delays in its release are not signs of weakness, but rather indications that Sony wants to launch the A7V without shortages or half-baked features. From a new sensor and enhanced video recording to AI-driven autofocus and improved ergonomics, everything points toward this being the most exciting Sony release in years. Add the possibility of a companion macro lens, and you have the makings of a complete ecosystem refresh. So if you're a creator, enthusiast, or professional waiting for the right time to invest in a new camera body, keep your eyes on October and November. The Sony A7V might just be the camera that redefines what we expect from a full-frame mirrorless hybrid.